Hey folks, Alan Manic, the Hot Rod Hippie here. Today's video, we're taking a look at the new 90Tooth ratchets from the folks at GearWrench. And stick around till the end of the video because one lucky viewer is going to be winning a set for themselves. Let's check it out. Hey, do you want to help me produce the best quality content that I can for you? The best how-tos, tool tips, technical videos? Well, check out my Patreon account, patreon.com/HotRodHippie. That directly supports this channel so that I can help to produce the best quality videos for you. I've got a limited offer right now. If you sign up at any of the tiers, even the $1 level, you'll get yourself one of these limited edition postcards with a photograph that I took at SEMA 2019 and a personal message from me to you. Now, I first saw these 90Tooth ratchets at SEMA 2019. I got to take a look at them in the GearWrench booth, and I did cover them a bit in my video covering that booth. However, now I've had them in my hands for a little over a week, so I can give you first impressions. That said, this is not a full product review. I haven't had enough time to really try these out and give you my full-on opinion, but I do want to break down the specifications, show these to you, and I have that second set that I want to give away to one lucky viewer. Full disclosure, the folks at GearWrench did send these ratchets over to me. However, this is not in any way a sponsored video. Everything I say here is either the specifications, which are just facts, or my own personal opinions about these. Now, these use a 90-tooth ratcheting mechanism, which means from one tooth to the next is only a 4-degree swing arc away. The previous design of ratchets from the folks at GearWrench were the 84-tooth ratchets. So we got 6 more teeth inside of here for a tighter ratcheting mechanism, and all in a slightly new upgraded design. You know, for quite some time, I've actually kept one of the 84-tooth ratchet sets in my car. I use it as my travel set when I'm on the road and I need to help somebody alongside the road or stop at a junkyard, something like that. I've got a ratchet set in my car all the time. And it's been the GearWrench 84-tooth for quite some time. And I've been happy with it. I've never had a problem, hasn't skipped a beat on me. Now they got this new 90-tooth ratchet mechanism, and my first-hand impressions just trying this set out, using it a little bit around the shop this week, I've been pretty darn impressed with it. We got that tight ratcheting mechanism. I haven't had it skip at all. I haven't had the selector shaft slip when I don't want it to. Overall, the comfortable grip, I'm really impressed with what I'm feeling out of these ratchets so far. Now, GearWrench does have their 120 XP ratchets. However, I'm personally not a fan of dual pawl ratchets, which is what that is. That uses a 60-tooth main gear and 2 pawls to kind of alternate the way it works. It's basically like turning half a tooth at a time on the 60-tooth ratchets. I'm not a big fan of that. Personally, I like a ratchet that uses a single pawl design, which is what these 90-tooth ratchets are. The ones that I've been using have this new comfort grip design, and I'm really liking it. It's personal opinion here, just these fit my hand so well. It's a plastic and rubber overmold design that just feels good in the hand, and overall adds a little bit of length versus the chrome ratchet set that I will be giving away. Along with the fine-tooth ratcheting mechanism, the other big deal to me when it comes to ratchets is a low-profile head design, which these 90-tooth ratchets also have. To go with that low-profile design, they have the recessed shift lever, so that won't get in your way either. Now, that low profile head design, that 90-tooth ratcheting mechanism, those both mean you're going to be able to get these things in tighter locations, like modern car engine bays on old street rod, hot rods, trying to get into tighter locations with these things, and they're going to work better for you. The lower profile head design means you're going to fit into tighter locations, and then with the 90-tooth ratcheting mechanism, you'll actually be able to ratchet in there and slowly remove those fasteners, even if you can only do it one click at a time. Now, of course, being GearWrench ratchets, these are lifetime warranty as well. I know when I used to sell tools, Matco tools, I was able to warranty these. I don't know if Matco distributors still can, but you'll have to check with your local tool distributor, or you might have to mail them in to get them warranted, which could be a factor to you. I've personally been trying out the standard fixed 1/4 inch, 3/8, and 1/2 inch ratchets in comfort grip set because I just like comfort grips. For the past decade, my favorite ratchet has been this flex head one from the folks at Matco. It's got an 88-tooth ratcheting mechanism, a comfort grip on there, and a locking flex head design. Now with the new 90-tooth from the folks at GearWrench, I get this slim, low-profile head design just like the Matco ratchet has. The comfort grip, I almost like the new GearWrench one just a little bit better in some ways. Now the 90-tooth GearWrench ratchets are available in flex head versions. However, However, they don't have a locking flex head like the Matco ratchet does. Personally, I really like having the locking flex head. I leave it unlocked more often than not, but every once in a while it is nice to be able to lock it in position where I want it. You also have to bear in mind that this one Matco ratchet is going to cost you as much as a 4-piece flex head ratchet set from the folks at GearWrench with a 90-tooth ratcheting mechanism. Now you can pick up these GearWrench ratchets. The chrome set that I'm going to be giving away here is going for $106 on Amazon right now for the 3-piece ratchet set, and the comfort grip set is $128 and some change. Now, it wasn't clickbait. I am giving away this 3-piece ratchet set to one lucky winner out there. I've got the chrome handle version of the 90-tooth ratchets here, 1/4, 3/8, and 1/2 inch. These things are a $106 value. All you need to do is there's a link in the description down below, a Gleam link, and also a link in the comments down below if you can't find it in the description. Now, if you aren't familiar with Gleam, you will have to sign up if you want to enter here, but the thing about it is it makes my life significantly easier and it keeps it fair for you folks. Previously, I had to go through all of the comments and manually type them into a spreadsheet to pick out a winner for my giveaways. That's both time consuming and leaves the chance that I could miss somebody. Using Gleam, all of that is out the window. It's fair for you and fair for me. I don't have people double entering. Your name is not going to get missed. You just sign up over there, you'll automatically get 1 entry. There are 6 other ways after that you could enter into this, so you could get a total of 7 entries for this contest. Some of them are as simple as just visiting my Instagram, my Facebook, or my YouTube channel. Those are 3 ways to enter. You don't have to follow them, just go visit them and you'll automatically get an entry there. Now, if you do want all 7 entries, the 7th one is exclusive to Patreon. You'll have to go to patreon.com/HotRodHippie and sign up at any of the levels. Support the HotRodHippie channel so I can bring the content you folks want to see, and you'll automatically be able to enter for that 7th entry. Now I'm going to try and come back with some longer term testing, maybe a full product review, maybe get my hands on some of the flex head ones and try those out as well. But my initial impressions of these GearWrench 90-tooth ratchets are, I'm going to be using them. I'm probably going to rotate them in as my main ratchets for a little while, at least to test them out. I'm liking everything I've tested out about these so far. It's going to be up to you whether or not these ratchets are right for you. I'm going to throw links in the description down below to both GearWrench's website so you can check them out, and some affiliate links, so if you want to pick these up off of the Amazon, you can do that and it'll help out the HotRodHippie channel. Alright folks, that's going to wrap it up for this one. I hope you found this video interesting. If you did, please go ahead and drop it a like. Let me know in the comments down below. What do you think of these new 90-tooth ratchets? Are they interesting to you? Are you going to check them out? Let me know in the comments down below. Subscribe to keep up to date with all the content every week. Thanks for coming around, folks.